To demonstrate a safe pull away from the curb, I'm going to signal to the left, put the car into drive, release my parking brake, shoulder check to the left. Also, I'm looking into the side mirror here to make sure nothing is beside me. And notice how little I'm pulling away from the curb with the steering wheel. It was very subtle. Same idea when I'm pulling over. I'm going to signal to the right, start going into my brake, mirror, mirror, shoulder check. And we're going to pull over very gradually until I see the curb is beside this bump here, and I can see my side mirror that I'm pulled over relatively parallel to the curb. So let's pull away again. So we're gonna shoulder check to the left, check the side mirror, and let's get going. Of course, once I'm on the road, I cancel my signal in a timely manner.